wow, today's a nice day out here. Besides, a lot of stuff been happening. I'm gonna go try. Wait a minute. I can't even use it. Whoa. Okay. Well, might as well go run the computer and the sword that my uncle gave me. Anyways, time to run my... Wait, who's that? Is that a homeless person? Oh my god, this is the 5th time this week! Hey, you, sir, get the hell out! I'm tired with your kind. I don't care if you say the homeless or not. You must leave. Now! Get the hell out of here! I'm afraid to get the hell out! Get the hell out of here! Huh. Oh wait, there. Wait a minute. No, wait, that's run by my sister. I just had an idea. Well, finally, time to continue running my store. Oh, hell no. Sir, you better get the hell out of here now. I'm going to kick you out. Come here. Give me that. I better make a big hole. You know, let's get a little crazy.